Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today will be a follow-up video of the Walksnail Goggles L and the GM Gimbal. I tested about 1 month ago, but I was not able to use the native head tracking with this gimbal and with the Moonlight Camera or with the Walksnail GT. And Caddx was kind enough to send their Walksnail Avatar HD Pro kit that should be compatible with the native head tracking. So let's put this on the drone and let's try following finally some chicken. Look at this, it's finally working, it's amazing, and not because I changed the unit, I'm still using the Moonlight. I actually tried installing this kit, but still the camera was not moving with the goggles. So I figured it only needed an update. If you remember from last video, I wanted to update, but this gimbal doesn't come with a USB port you can connect to a computer. The only port is this, but they don't give you the cable. And not only you need the cable, but also a special adapter to interface with USB. But once again, Maztec came to the rescue, showing it's possible to use a flight controller with pass-through mode, connect it to your computer, and connect the gimbal with this cable, which is not super common. I found it in old analog gear. Long story short, after updating, it was working with this unit, but I need to record my chicken at the best quality possible. So I installed the Moonlight back and it's working with it as well. And finally, it's time to test it. But I have to wait for tomorrow morning because the sun is setting. I wasted the whole afternoon trying to do something that will take 5 minutes with the proper gear and documentation. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so far, so good. It doesn't look too bad actually. Like if you go slow, it's controllable. Oh my god, okay, it's very disorientating. Maybe this was not a good idea to fly in front of me, but okay, let's. I don't have to go fast because it's cool, you can look around, but if you do, it's totally disorientating. Oh my god, I don't know where I am. Okay, oh, oh my god, okay, the drone is perfectly below me. There is a chicken. It's so hard to do something precise. Oh! Okay, here. Perfect. There is a chicken down there. Oh, wow, we found chicken HQ here. I'm drifting. Okay, I had the idea that it will be better in my mind before flying because I have to go so slow. The drone is so hard to fly without points of reference, and I'm trying to fly. Where are the chicken? But man, it's so cool that you can look around and see the drone. Oh. Okay. Stop. Oh my god, I don't know. So on a drone it's not super practical. Maybe on a wing, on something that's more locked course, it will be better. But flying a FPV drone, it's hard. Maybe with I don't know, iNav, altitude and position hold, it will be better, easier at least. Because like this, you are drifting all the time. Oh! Okay, I guess the battery is done. It's very fun, but not very practical. Oh my god, the drone is all... at least you can check what the drone is doing. And let's see. Okay, now when I stop it, super cool. It was a ton of fun and a different experience for me, but maybe using it on a FPV drone, you are flying yourself, is not the best use case because you don't have points of reference. On something like a RC car, something stable, a boat, or maybe even a plane, it will be much better. And if you have to put it on a drone, either the drone is stable, so you have time to adjust and to look around, or maybe it's a dual operator thing when you have someone that's looking around. But the use case for that will be having a good recording camera. The Moonlight is fine, it's 4K, but I wish they produced some better cameras. Anyways, I'm very happy it finally worked and I was able to follow the chicken, but I feel like, I mean, the product is good, it works, but Caddx should improve their documentation and communication a lot. Not only that, but they have to include at least the connector to connect with your flight controller, because it's inexpensive but needed, not only to update, but also to configure your gimbal. You can access the configurator on your computer and make it do different things with AUXes, and from the UART you can control it with your sticks and do different stuff you cannot do if you don't have the freaking connector. And that's all for today. I hope Caddx sees this video and improves this product. And as always, remember to like, subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think about this weird chicken chase and what would you do with this gimbal. And also, if you want to buy something, check out the description down below. You help this channel a lot. And also you will find links to the previous review and also to Matt's tech video, really going in detail on the ways to update this gimbal. Stay safe and happy flying. Bye.